Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your pattern lock is not being recognized on your Nokia 5. If your pattern lock is not being recognized on your phone, the first thing you try is to boot into safe mode. To do so, press and hold the power button, then tap and hold on this section of the screen, and tap OK when it prompts you to reboot to safe mode. Doing so will get you to safe mode, which should help you bypass some bugs and glitches. Once you get here, it will ask you to use your pattern. If the pattern still does not work, the best option you can do, the only option really, would be to reset your phone. To do so, tap and hold the power button, tap on power off, but since we cannot really get to settings to do a factory reset, we have to do the next best thing. So power off your phone, plug it into a charger, wait for the Android battery icon to show up, and once it does, you will want to press and hold the power and volume up buttons until you feel the phone vibrate. At which point, you want to release the power button but keep holding the volume up button, and you will keep on holding the volume up button until the Android robot appears. Once it does, press and hold the power button and tap on the volume up button. This will get you into recovery mode. Here, using the volume buttons, scroll until you get to wipe data / factory reset, and then press the power button to select it. Then scroll down to yes to confirm that you want to perform a factory reset. And so it will start resetting your phone. Then, once you do that, press the power button again once Reboot System Now is selected, and your phone will start anew with a factory reset having been performed. Now you will lose all of your data, but you will be able to set a new pattern, and hopefully it will work now. Once your phone finishes turning on, you can now select your language and go through the setup process. You can go through it like normal, because it is just the normal going through it. You can try adding a network. Unfortunately, for some reasons, I cannot do it, so I'm gonna just input the wrong password, preferably. Or not. I might actually have to use the correct password. I'll be back in a second. Once you connect, it's going to try and recover some data from your backups, possibly. But overall, it's just the standard first setup, because your phone has completely been wiped. Just go through it like you did the first time you turned on the phone, or just follow through as I do it. You can try in here using your Google account. If you remember your pattern, just try using it. If it doesn't work, you can always use your you can then if you don't remember your pattern, you could have used to use your Google account, which would have prompted you to log in. I will now log into my account in a second. But yeah, once you log in, it should allow you to make a new pattern possibly, or try to at least. Just going through the setup like normal. You can make a new pattern. And once you create it, oh, and it's the problem where I can't log into. And yeah, if you have that problem that you saw me have, you can just back off and try logging into another network with a wrong password. That way you can just log into without adding an account. But yeah, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.